Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back. This is Daily Trading Analysis with the market recap for today, 28th of October. So look at this. This is Nasdaq 3.39% in the green, big volume in every single critical support area and level. I mean, these kind of moves are unbelievable. And after yesterday's drop on earnings, Amazon mixed results, Apple beating, but with some concerns. Apple basically carried the market up to, in this case, in Apple, breaking this pivot and doing a nice move, breaking the moving average on the daily. Look at this. This is pure strength. So Apple, Amazon, of the lows, look at this, closing above 100 and June lows. This close is super bullish. Microsoft also strong, bouncing, doing a higher low. This is super important. Higher low. Tesla, big bottoming tail. And Apple, well, finally the Nasdaq, with a big bullish engulfing candle closing in 11,600. Above that, I mean, today it's a very powerful day. I think this is a market change. I think overall sentiment is starting to be super bullish. Not only that, we are bullish based on fundamentals, on a change on demand destruction seen by PCE, seen by labor market going down, seen by spending, seen by home sales. A lot of fundamentals are supporting this kind of move. I think this is a turning point not only for investors in the market, but also for the Fed. Next week, Federal Reserve is going to most probably raise 75 basis points interest rate hikes, and based on my understanding of dollar and yields, we are pricing in for the end of this year 4.15 interest rates, and if we raise next week until 4.375, the next hike in December might be 25 or 50 basis points. And that kind of rate hike will boost the market, will push the market even higher, because we are finally starting to decrease interest rate hikes and we are changing the overall sentiment from bearish to bullish. Next week is going to be the final battle for these pivots. So be careful, because next week we are going all in this move. We were bouncing, and I think we are going towards 12,100 in the Nasdaq, the final destination 4,000 for these pivots. We are all in for that. We are pushing strong, supporting fundamentals, demand destruction. A lot of sectors in the economy are seeing a cooling down. Earnings are mixed. Spending is low or flat. Labor market. We are going to push. I think this is the turning point for the markets. Let's check next week economic calendar, because that might be quite interesting. So next week we have on Monday another GDP growth, so that will be interesting. We are looking sorry, this is Europe. Monday we have nothing. Wednesday we have JOLTS, job openings. We are seeing more or less flat, and quits also flat. ISM manufacturing We would like to see flat or even slightly lower manufacturing prices and orders. That's on Tuesday. Wednesday, employment, ADP employment. This is quite important on the week. We want to see lower employment change. And that's the key. Interest rates decision. We most probably are going to raise from 325 to 4, that's 75 basis points. So Wednesday is the day in which Fed will confirm 75. I don't think we are going to call 50. Let's check it out. So Fed Watch tool is still pricing in 75. So I think we're going to 75, but this is already priced in the market. The most important thing is that for the end of the year, we are going to be lower that. And that's my call. That's my opinion based on the market, on the change, on the sentiment, on the fundamentals, and on the movement of the Nasdaq on earnings. So we will see. Next week is very interesting. We are going to be bullish also. That's my personal preference, but we are ending the week strong. Look at this. Let's check the weekly. This weekly, 2 weeks, breaking this pivot. This is super important. We are breaking this pivot. And that's all for me. As always, thank you for your time. If you have any questions, you can comment down below and I will try to respond to all of you. If you found this video useful, please help the channel, click the like button and subscribe to receive notifications when I upload new videos. Remember, I upload new videos every single day for market forecasts, market updates, and market recaps like this one. I appreciate your time. I'm putting a lot of effort, a lot of work on these videos and on the content. So please, I hope you had an amazing trading day and are enjoying the content. And see you on Monday. Have a nice weekend. And see you on Monday with the market forecast. Interesting week. Fed decision interest rate hike on Wednesday. Remember, as always, discipline and risk management are key for success. Stay safe, everyone.